Wow, this is AYD Tours Media. Dear viewers and audiences, as you observe here, this is the activity performing for road construction at Dembecha First Bit road construction works. Especially between Dingai Ber and Addis Salam at 23 plus 50 560 kilometer or 23.56 kilometer far from Dembecha. As you observe here, this is the removal process of waste soil from the road corridor by loading with using loader and by hauling with dump trucks. So this process is very essential and necessary to clear our road corridors that specified in the road manuals before that set with the prepared design and agreement set. Look, this work process is very effective and fastly ongoing within this crew. This work is very create very happiness, as you observe here, including to the environmental conditions that is beautiful. In this road work process, there are many types of equipments used and machines also. Starting from excavators, dozers, dump trucks, and others like short trucks, sometimes grader and rollers also come to sometimes we need to